गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै।
Dear teachers, sometimes it may seem like people have forgot how really important you are. Your creativity, your dedication, your passion. It's time to reminder for every child who says I'm not smart enough. I don't get it, I can't do this. There is a teacher who says you can. And you guys know very well about whom I am talking. For every child who needs knowledge, someone to believe in him, there is a teacher who will do whatever it takes, encourage, motivate, and instill a love for learning. So, for every teacher who works with students, building a better future for us, I would like to say a very, very, very big thank you to you guys. And when one student at a time, when it seems like no one is watching him, or that people have forgot him, I think there is only a teacher who raises him. And in the last, I would like to say that my teachers are just a teacher to the whole world, but for me they will always be a shining star. And now, do you want to say something?
I want to say something. Today, I would like to thank the entire school sexuality for putting in so much efforts for us during this hard time. The school has been off, but our learning hasn't. All thanks to the teachers. We are extremely grateful to all our teachers, and thank all of you for being so thoughtful and making things easy for the parents. You are the most influential people of our life. As a Gaurav sir, you all shows your patience when we did any mistake, and as a Rajveer sir, you all explain things very deeply, and all of you are always ready to explain one thing at 100 of times. Teachers who educate children are well to be honored. Then always remember to attending your classes. You are the best teachers of the world. Do you also want to say?
Why not? I want to say thanks to my lovely teacher. Thank you, teacher, for solving all problems in my life. As Teacher Day is very important in the life of every student. She is a nature lover. She ever told us about the importance of nature. She ever gave us the new ideas to save the world, to save the nature. So I don't think after that I have to told you who am I talking about. And there are two teachers also which is written in the book, but they also taught that lessons which are the life lessons. They ever taught us book lessons and life lessons. When they explain, the students can easily understand in first time. The students have not doubt related what did they explain with the lessons. And the two teachers are Miss Jyoti ma'am and Madhu ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And in the last of my words, I want to say special thanks to my special. Do you want to say something?
Yes, I do also want to say something. Teachers' Day is celebrated in India to pay respect to the teachers who work hard all year round to ensure their students score well in academics and as well as school activities. A number of activities are planned on this day in whole country. We owe more to our teachers than we owe to our parents. Our teachers help us stride forward, build our character, and prepare us to face life. And now, the way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you show, makes you the creators of our nation, and you all know whom I am talking about. And now, just come to our dear sir. There are not enough words in dictionary to tell you how much we love you, to tell you how much we respect you. Really, sir, you are the best. And at last, I do want to say, on Teachers' Day, we thank our dear teachers. We express our love and gratefulness on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Very, very big thanks to all our teachers.
Thank you to the all teachers.
Thank you, teachers, for
So, for all this great teachers,
Thank you, teachers, for being here.
Thanks to all my teachers.
Thank you my all teachers for all that gave me.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to all the teachers.
All the teachers.
Thank you to all teachers.
Thank you to all our teachers.